Exercise 26. Write a program that asks the user how many subjects a student did, asks the user the name of each subject one by one. For example, if the user typed 3 in the step above, then the program should ask for a subject name 3 times. When running the program, type in English as one of the subjects. Then print a list of the subjects entered. There's a hint here that you should use a while loop. Okay? Alright. So, of course, we start with how many subjects? Num input, and of course use the input prompt. Colon space then ask the user for the name of the subjects one by one. So first we need a counter. We need a counter. Counter equals 0. So our counter can be 1. While counter is less than num subjects. Then subject name equals input okay. Then we want to store this information in a list, so the list needs to exist also. List of subjects is a blank list. So we append this to the list. List subjects dot append subject name. Okay. Then at the end here we print the list of subjects. That should do, but let's test it. So we run that. How many subjects? 3. Enter subject name, anything there. Good. Oops. Oh no. I've created an endless loop. I need to increment the counter here. How many subjects? 3. Subject name, anything there. Oops, sorry. So it works then. Oh no, it doesn't work. I need to change this less than or equal to, because if I say less than, it only asks me twice. So again, let's try that. Oh no, come on, sorry. How many subjects? 3. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please sign up for one-on-one live Python lessons at ondevs.com.